Alright, so this is a sponsored video, sponsored by Fifine Technology. They're a company that makes microphones and other things, and they wanted me to review this microphone. So I'm going to unbox it really quick, because that's something I want to do before I talk about it. Obviously, you have to open it before you review it. This is common knowledge. I have keen insight into the obvious. And, whoop, dropped a little paper there. Let me grab it. Okay, now I hope I'm pronouncing the name properly. Is it Fifine? Or maybe it's Fifine, like Wi-Fi. And anyway, I will have the name down hopefully by the time I review it. So it comes with a little card here. And, okay, thank you for choosing. Extra stuff, you know I never read that. There's a little user's manual for the K037 and K037B. This is a lapel mic, clearly. And here we go. Underneath this foam, we have the microphone. So this is the transmitter pack, and inside, I'm going to need some batteries, aren't I? It takes AA batteries, and looks like they're using a connection that's similar to Shure. Let's bring that a little closer. And it's got 4 pins. When I do the review, it will be in much better light. So we got that transmitter pack. Kind of reminds me of Shure with that, like I said. And, oh good, it's got a windscreen on it. And there's the cable. What makes this one unique is that instead of a big old receiver like I'm used to, the receiver is like this, okay? And it's got, oh, and this one is a TRS 1/4 inch, so you can plug that into just about anything. This also requires batteries, and this takes 2 AAA batteries. Let's turn it. Yeah, once again, sorry about the bad lighting. But the nice thing about this is you can take this little thing here, and what you can do is you can take and plug it into an interface here like the Scarlett. And record. Now, of course, it doesn't have any batteries in it, so it's not going to work. This is my 2nd gen Scarlett, which you recently saw me unbox. And, yeah, so I'm looking forward to trying this out and seeing what the sound quality is like. Of course, you could do the same with a traditional lapel. You could plug it in with an XLR input, but it would just be another box about this size to plug into. So this one is really small and looks like it would be more portable. It does look funny on the front of the Scarlett, but that's just, you know, the way it is. Alright, so this... Whoa! Yeah, I'm going to destroy that thing before I get to review it, aren't I? Here it is. Thankfully, there is carpet down there. It's been the little bit scary unboxing of this Fifine. I've got to get this down. Technology microphone, wireless microphone. See you very soon in another video.